my god, guys, I started this vlog without knowing that I'm not recording. The record was not on, and I was talking all this while without knowing. I just noticed it now. I'm just laughing at myself. This vlogging is not easy. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. We don't have much to do here. Yeah, we just have to wash clothes today. It's still morning. It's to 9 a.m. here. We just wake up from bed. We are on winter, so we do wake up late because of the weather. The weather is so cold. Today is Sunday. We are not going to church. We are going to tidy up the house. My husband's traveled and he's coming back today, so I'll be washing clothes today. But this morning we'll have to take a chocolate drink, hot chocolate drink, because of the weather. The weather is too cold. After that, I'll not go up to do my laundry. Nothing much to do today. Nothing much. My life is boring at this point. So boring. I don't go out often, so there's nothing much to show. But we are trying. I still have another video to film today with my brother. Spicy noodle challenge. I don't know if I should add it to this clip or upload this separately. I don't know yet. But anyhow, I'll still let you guys know. So see you in my next clip. Let's go and take our breakfast and start the day. Nothing much to do. My ears have heard. So yeah, obviously, what's going to happen is wash. Please. If you tell me to count them all, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the job took like, so you have to wait till you get to the top. Don't like to go to wash. I'm using washing machine, so I have to wait for them to bring it right back. So we are at the rooftop. I said, where are these people in their house? So we are at the top of the building, like this one's here now. You can see the rooftop. That's where I am. Yeah, that is where we are. The sun is too much. Oh, now that I want to wash clothes, these people are taking light. Can you imagine? Kind of insult. Well, it's okay. It's well. They'll bring it back soon. So let's let them bring it back. So, oh yeah, go back.
A few moments later.
So waiting for them to bring light. I want to start washing the shoes. All these shoes. I'm going to wash it now with my hands and brush. Yeah. So let me wash it. Before the rain, then I'll start washing the clothes. Guys, I'm done washing the shoes. Yeah, I'm done washing the shoes. I'm tired already. I have to end here. I'll pick up the camera when my husband comes back or tomorrow. I don't know yet. I'm tired. So see you guys on my next clip. Bye bye.
6.5 hours later.
Of clothes, bunch of clothes surrounded in my house, bunch of clothes. I'm done. This is just a tiring work. I'm done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.